Yo. What is up, guys? YOKKHII came here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with a young artist. Young artist reach out and say, yo, bro, want to do some work. I'm going to say, no problem, bro. Let's do the work. So the work I get done. YOKKHII. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. YOKKHII. YOKKHII. And it's this the song is called Shotty. Song is called Shotty by YOKKHII. So I can jump into that one and you with the DSA. It's not a music video, it is a audio. So let's go, D. Let me start by saying this. I'm hearing Tamily. It's not a bad thing. So don't take it as a bad thing, bro. It's a good thing. That means that you have a little unique style like Tamily. Okay, you know Tamily style different. So let's go. The build up to this song have me anticipate what go forward, you know? The build up, like the intro, the whole heap effects and something like that. Let's hope the song is bad. By the way, this artist is from Belize. This artist is from Belize in the Caribbean. So you don't know, big up the Caribbean better than me. No. No, man. You sure say Tamily this a sing, brother? You sure say Tamily? You hear? You hear the man say? Bumbleclot! Hold on a minute. Hold on, man. Hold on, man. That one a dark, man. That one a darkness. That one a dark, man. That one a dark.
Where's your perfection?
So the man say, yo, mingle there, we are go for them. Murder the pussy them. We not waste no time. We not wait for nightfall. We not wait for 12 o'clock. We not business. Mingle there. All the neighbors see me get gunshot. We not care, brother. If it come to the test, we them wear mask. We not afraid of police neither. We are the demon, you know. You hear me say? We are the demon, you know. You see me? Yo, Tamily, Tamily protege this man.
We are the demon, you know. We just can't feel me legion, you know. Just out them make me go here. We not aim none, you know.
We are the demon, you know. Start for religion, you know. Bust out them head, miggle there. We not leave none, you know. So everything I get flat. Everything I get gunshot. I mean, just earlier on I said this artist is from Belize. You couldn't know unless me tell you that. You couldn't know say is a artist who's not from Jamaica. This cause when the artists them sing, like I'm noticing that with Trinidad artists them TMA too. When them sing dancehall, them sound just like Jamaicans, brother. So big up yourself, YOKKHII. I hope I'm saying your name right, my bro. I hope so. You know, let's go. Rude. This grimy dog. This grimy. This grimy. This.
Motherfucker. I want them to chatting, now you bring me gun them for shotting. Run up with the 4-5, next thing the G5 got them. Me go lay away, puffy them, burn on the puffy them. Squeeze the tape, more semi-fire. Someone I'm at them full of like a teta. You want no talk, them no shoot and miss. I can't fuck around your rifle, lock down a chopper. Select it up, bust up your face. Till I find when you live and burn down your place.
All when them yo, there's plenty ways to kill your blood clot. When we find where you live and burn down your place, like that is the heights of disrespect. So that means say when time I kill you, even when your siblings are your parents are your pitting them or your girl want to live somewhere, you them not know if you live, come burn down that flat ground. You hear? All your girl get wall in her face. All your girl get wall in her face. Yeah, gunshot in her face. All your girl get it. Yeah, I guess you're not gonna find out if you live after me burn down a place because you're not gonna know. Oh, wow. 6'6", boat box, card, room, dark room.
Just choose and yeah, let me kill him, motherfucker. I want them to chatting, now you bring me gun them for shotting. With the 4-5, next thing the G5 got him. Me go lay away, just choose and yeah, let me kill him, motherfucker. I want them to chatting, now you bring me gun them for shotting. Run up with the 4-5, next thing the G5 got him. Me go lay away, puffy them, burn on the puffy them. Knock them hungry for food. Finny tongues them hungry. Ready for bust it hungry. I want them to chatting, now you bring me gun them for shotting. Run up with the 4-5, next thing the G5 got him. Me go lay away, puffy them, burn on the puffy them. When me rise, me barretta, and savior.
Let me just say this. You're bad, youth. You're bad. You're bad. The rhythm choice, sick. Rhythm choice match back with everything we say, cause it dark and the gothic that dark gothic style, like where Spartan Bass have. Yeah, you have it locked, bro. You have all of the ad libs them locked, same way everything. My only critique. This is my only critique. Your voice could be a bit higher pan the beat. Your voice could be because there's so much going on in the beat. There's so much effects, gunshot of fire, crew of fly, beat things are going. It kind of drown out your voice a little bit. You see me? So if the engineer could just push up your voice a little bit more, then perfect. But me not that still not take away nothing from the track, bro. You're lyrically, you're dark with it. Bad. When me want to see though, or what I love to see is a video. Would I like to get a visual for this? So me don't know what your budget still like in regards to putting it in your craft, but I would like to see a video for this where I just be a darkness a go on, be a madness a go on, like a storyline where actually all a boy are, you know, like them type of storyline there, a proper storyline behind the one here, and watch it take off, bro. But this bad, my bro. Respect yourself for reaching out as well, bro. Appreciate the support. Yo, big up all of the artists them we are doing, whether young, old, new, or old. Big up on yourself. You see me? You okay? You're bad, bro. You're bad. Just continue putting in the work. Next time I say, make the engineer put up your voice a little bit more so we can hear more, a bit more everything what you say without me of you know. But yeah, apart from that, bro, bad song, bro. Bad song. You see me? Bad song. We need a visual though. We need a visual, bro. We need a visual, you know? Yeah, cause them artists and nowadays, people, especially the young artists, them like to put a face to match the voice. You know what I mean? Even if you're in the video with a mask on or whatever, we don't mind. We just need a visual there, bro. You see me? So big up yourself, bro. But big up all of the Caribbean artists that we are doing, no matter which country you come from. Big up on yourself. From when I say music, I say you understand? Yeah. This is how I'm going to leave down the city. If you enjoy the one and want to see more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new. And I will definitely see you in the next one. Peace.